as well, okay? The hair is off, we have a green flag, we're inflating the balloons, we're about to take off here. There's Susan Stamets, a lady pilot in the cat balloon you see up there, catch meow. That's one of our lady pilots, Susan Stamets. There's some of these odd-shaped balloons that look like right up that balloon. That's pretty cool. Doesn't hurt anything, but you know, it's not exactly the way they want to do it. They look like footballs. That's kind of the new shape of balloons. I personally like the old shape, but the new shape's a lot better. They tell me, so I don't know. Got the next one up.
That's meow.
You see the balloons bouncing around on the ground? The wind is kind of bopping them around. They're having a hard time controlling a balloon. Rainbow twist right behind that balloon. Let's give them a round of applause, everybody. The Michigan balloon is down there in the end. For all you Wolverine fans, they got the Michigan balloon down there in the end. If you're Ohio State fans, you don't have to applaud. You don't want.